2025 Ideas for Modern Luxury and Elegant Aesthetic in Small Apartment Entry. The entryway serves as the first impression of your home, and by 2025, the trend in small apartments is to embrace modern luxury with a focus on aesthetic elegance. This often overlooked space holds the potential to become a masterpiece of both style and utility. Incorporating high-quality focal decor is key in transforming your entryway. Consider sleek, minimalist consoles adorned with curated artwork that immediately draws the eye, enhancing both sophistication and functionality. Imagine stepping into a space where every detail, from lighting fixtures to the choice of rugs, elevates the atmosphere, making even the most compact entryways feel open, inviting, and warm. Opt for warm tones, glossy finishes, and clean lines to create a harmonious balance that invites both you and your guests into a welcoming sanctuary. Moving into 2025, there is a decisive shift towards smart storage solutions that seamlessly integrate with decor. Picture hidden compartments within striking furniture pieces, or innovative, vertical storage that maximize use without sacrificing style. In small apartments, every inch is precious. Leverage wall space through floating shelves or mirrored elements, making the room appear more spacious. With these modern luxury accents, your entryway transitions from merely functional to utterly captivating. A well-appointed entryway becomes a bridge between the hustle and bustle of the outside and the inner comfort of your home, ready to uplift your mood as soon as you step inside. To truly bring aesthetic elegance to life, incorporate natural elements such as indoor plants and organic textures, whether it's a striking vase, a woven basket, or a lush potted fern. These additions soften the clean lines of modern decor and infuse warmth and serenity into the space. When paired with sophisticated lighting, the natural beauty of these elements becomes the heart of the entryway, infusing life and vitality. Through thoughtful choices and meticulous attention to detail, your small apartment entryway can set a stylish precedent for the rest of your home, seamlessly blending modern luxury with practical elegance. By paying attention to these design trends, small apartment entryways can offer a preview of the luxury and comfort that lies within, making every homecoming a delightful experience.